Hi guys, let's take a look at what's happening in one of our print rooms today. So we've got a project on the Massivit at the minute. Raj, do you want to tell us a little bit about what's going on?
Of course. So we're printing on the Massivit machine here. It's printing a piece of coral. This uses gel deposition printing technique to form the object. So we can see here gel being deposited, and as it gets deposited, the UV lights, which you can see shining, cure it into a solid plastic.
This is great for getting your bigger sized pieces, getting them good fast turnaround
Absolutely.
time. Yeah.
Yes. Overall, this will have a print size of 2 meters, so it's a very large object.
Yeah.
And that is why we have chosen the Massivit.
Yeah.
So it's a very rapid printing machine.
Okay.
You can print an object, where you can print a human-size object, full-size mannequin, say for example, in 8 hours.
Can you tell us what this piece is actually for?
So yeah, this being printed at the moment is a piece of coral.
Okay.
It's going to be part of a number of pieces that we're printing, and once they're all printed and put together, this will become part of an exhibit.
Oh right, nice.
Yes.
Cool.